SpaceX rocket on collision course with the moon. This is gonna be a good video. Alright, let's do this. This particular SpaceX craft was launched in 2015. And the type of spacecraft it is, you may be wondering, it's a Falcon 9 rocket made by Elon Musk and SpaceX. This little rocket thingy-mabobber had a slight mishap upon exiting your atmosphere in 2015. So it's had a kind of chaotic high orbit for the past 7 years. It made a close lunar flyby on January 5th. But it will certainly smash into the moon on March 4th. It will ram into the far side of the moon. Just want to say real fast that my store, MoonBoyProductionsYT, is linked in the description. It's having a Valentine's Day sale from now until the 14th on all limited edition products. And all of the limited edition products are Valentine's Day products. So go buy a shirt for one of your loved ones, or your best friend, or your best enemy, or something else. Anyway, back to the facts. So it's probably going to go unnoticed from Earth, so I wouldn't suggest going out in your backyard at like 7 at night like this. Can I see it? I don't think it's going to work. It might work. I don't know. Don't take my word for it. Anyway, let's keep going. This will be the first unintentional case of something just completely smashing into the moon at like 2 kilometers a second. So, maybe we should tell Elon Musk to be a little bit more careful with his rocket launches so we don't have another rocket go boom onto the moon. Because, you know, I don't want aliens to go, oh, what's this? Because I don't like aliens. Now, that doesn't mean you guys should like aliens. You guys should love aliens. But that's just me. Alright. That's all I can find on the subject. If I can find more, which I probably will, I will post a part 2 to this video. So, subscribe. Stay tuned for that. And what else? Oh, I don't think there's anything else I need to say. Except for, bye. See you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go over to MoonBoyProductions.store. That is MoonBoyProductions.store to get some super duper cool space merch. The coolest space merch in the universe. Also, don't forget to smash subscribe and turn notifications on so you never miss an upload. Anyway, I gotta go. Peace out. You guys are awesome. I just shot the planet.